Today, I'll show you the fastest way to turn any photo into a realistic pencil sketch in Photoshop. Press Ctrl+J, Shift plus Ctrl+U, duplicate the layer. Invert, Ctrl+I, change the blending mode to Color Dodge. Go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur. Adjust the radius until the sketch effect appears, usually between 20 to 50 pixels depending on image resolution. Click OK to apply. Create a new layer, Shift plus Ctrl+N. Go to Edit. Fill and choose 50% gray, then set the blending mode to Overlay. Select the Brush tool, B. Choose a soft round brush and lower the opacity to 10 to 20%. Lightly paint in areas to create shading, simulating a natural pencil stroke. Select the original image layer and duplicate it. Go to Filter, Other, High Pass, Set Radius, 2 to 5 pixels. Change the blending mode to Overlay or Soft Light for sharper sketch lines. This method ensures a professional, realistic pencil sketch effect while keeping control over details, texture, and depth.